Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be live, and we're going to be talking about, is it over for crypto? Are we doomed? Because yesterday I talked about, the bottom was in, things were looking pretty good. Then we saw the PCE data came out, and it came out okay. It came out freaking okay, right? And then we saw the markets pump a little bit, and then all of a sudden, bang! Out of nowhere, we saw Bitcoin dump like $3,500. We saw the whole crypto market turn red instantly, and there was no FUD. There was no negative news. Actually, there was positive news for crypto, but the markets just tanked, and we saw longs being liquidated. And from my perspective, I think this is pure manipulation. I don't know why they continue to do this. Is it because they want to buy crypto cheap? They want to scare you out there in YouTube land out of your crypto, and that way they can have the lion's share of it, and then things are going to pump. And the big companies that deal in stocks and the banks and stuff, there was really no profit in it before, but now they're seeing with all these ETF inflows and this and that, and some people who have Bitcoin sold and moved to ETFs because it's easier to manage, right? So I think that there's definitely manipulation going on with crypto right now. It's really weird, really to be unexpected out there. Crypto tanks for no reason with no negative news, and the inflows for ETFs are positive. We saw XRP, we saw Dogecoin ETF inflows really positive out there. So guys, if you love this content like I love you guys, don't forget to go down there, smash the freaking likes, looks like that. Show some freaking love out there for the OG out there. Go back and watch all their videos. I appreciate that. And comment up a storm. Even you hate the OG, comment. You'd like the OG, comment out there. So, that's kind of what's going on right now. We did see that the pre-markets are okay. Kind of interesting. Netflix and Warner Bros. are merging. Okay, let's see what that happens. It means that they're going to become like the gold standard of online TV, right? So, what's really going on out there is we are seeing that Bitcoin is down 2%. We're seeing Ethereum is above 3,000. That's pretty good. XRP is getting hammer time. We're seeing that Doge is also down 3.43%. But some interesting news for XRP. XRP beats Bitcoin in net ETF flows. So we're seeing that XRP performance in terms of people buying XRP and ETF inflows is looking pretty good, pretty good. But it's having zero impact on XRP. Crypto market prediction: XRP's last chance before $1 another Bitcoin wave to set 100,000 in stone. Okay, so whatever. So this is good news, right? We're seeing fear and greed. Retail is still scared, and I think the big institutions and banks and the people who control the markets are using this fear to take crypto from retail. So hold the phone. If you've got XRP, hold. Not financial advice, just hold. What do you guys think? You guys think it's still time to sell, time to hold? Are we doomed? I think that the bottom is in. I think we're kind of like fishing around the bottom because I don't think they can continue to manipulate much longer. We're seeing December for XRP, for Dogecoin, is down, so it flipped red. Yesterday it was green, right? Everyone was happy. We saw like $93,000 Bitcoin. XRP was like 214. Doge was like over 15 cents. So things were looking positive. Then suddenly the bottom fell out. So once again, we can see in the last 24 hours we've had a lot of long liquidations, right? 314 million long liquidations. That's really what's happening. If we deep dive into the market cap, it's down 0.77%. Fear and greed is at 25. This is all the crypto market. And we're seeing average crypto RSI is not oversold, it's not underbought, it's kind of neutral out there. So altcoin season, we still have not had our altcoin season in this bull run. I think the 4-year cycle is busted out there. And I think something new is happening. And I think, this is the financial revolution where things become tokenized. And I think crypto is the next frontier for finance, and I think the institutions understand that. I think the whales understand that, and the manipulators understand that they better load up now before Bitcoin and crypto goes insane, and it's going to cost them too much to buy, right? So I think this is one of the mitigating circumstances, but I know it's creating mitigating misery to everybody out there, but it is what it is, right? Guys, did you smash the likes? Did you subscribe? Did you share this video with your freaking friends? So we're seeing Bitcoin on the hourly is 0.04%, basically neutral. 24 hours down 2%. Ethereum down 3%, up on the hourly. So hopefully we'll get it'll swing back up. XRP 202 right now, but it's up 0.17% out there. So that's not bad on the hourly. 24 hours is down 1.62%. So there seems to be a recovery, a little bit of recovery starting on the hourly. Depends when you watch this, right? Doge up 0.5% right now, not too shabby out there. So maybe by the time you're watching this, you'll see a recovery out there. So that's kind of what's going on. I thought this was interesting. The Simpsons hint, XRP could hit 100,000 by 2026. On December 5th, in 24 hours, Real Token officially listed on centralized exchange, opened the door to over $5 billion a day liquidity. So hopefully they're right. Also, breaking news: U.S. court provides full approval for all U.S. banks and financial institutions to process payments using XRP. This is positive, right? This is freaking positive. What else we got coming in? It looks like Trueflation, BE just adjusted their September PCA data. September PCE data is 2.8%, previously 2.7, expected 2.8, so in line, right? September core PCE 2.8, previous 2.9, expected 2.9, so we're under, so good, right? Meanwhile, Trueflation has been reportedly daily PCE data using independent data sources. So it seems that the data is correct right now. Remember, under Biden administration, they kind of like were manipulating the data, right, to make themselves look good. Ash Crypto, this is insane. This is insane. The level of manipulation. The first BTC and Ethereum dumped on bullish PCE data. I don't understand, which came lower than expected, but now both are dumping hard. In 30 minutes, nearly 100 million long positions were like liquidated and wiped out. Okay, it's manipulation, right? Both are breaking. Bitcoin pumped 1,500 on lower than expected PCE data, right? But then crashed 3,500 in 60 minutes. This wiped out 155 million worth of long position in like 1 hour. There was no FUD, which caused this type of sudden dump. Okay, it appears that a few entities control the entire crypto market and they manipulate price almost every week. Yeah, and they liquidate both leverage longs and leverage shorts. It's just pure manipulation, guys. Looks like breaking. Satoshi Era wallet whale just bought another 3,800 worth of Bitcoin. That's 350 million. This whale holding Bitcoin for 10 years and keeps accumulating more today. He knows something, and like I said, I think that this manipulation cannot go on for forever. Once again, the exact reason why Bitcoin dumped is because the Binance sold, Coinbase, Fidelity sold, Strategy sold, Wintermute, okay, sold. Over 2 billion already dumped, and they keep selling more every minute. It's coordinated inside, right? But here, the world's highest IQ claimant says the bull market has begun, buying Bitcoin daily. So this is Young Hoon Kim, a South Korean figure who claims to be the smartest person on planet Earth, says he's converted his entire net worth into Bitcoin and now is buying BTC every freaking day. Do you guys agree with that? Smash the likes. I appreciate it. It looks like a butterfly. A butterfly has said Doge is testing the lower border of the ascending triangle on the 2-day chart. This level has been respected multiple times. Bulls are getting ready to step in. If support holds for Doge, Doge is ready to fly towards a much higher zones. Okay, so hopefully it's going to happen, right? Rumor: Visa to integrate Doge and BTC payments by the end of 2026. Guys, so it's amazing stuff is happening, guys. A lot of stuff is happening right in front of us, but you know, it's manipulation, guys. So all you can do is hold the fort, hold the phone, and yeah, you know, that's all you can do. If you take a look at the charts, pretty goes up, Doge goes up, hits the 15 cent, dumps down. So we're seeing this seesaw pattern happening. Manipulation, guys, manipulation out there. Are we doomed? Is the bottom in? We're seeing that Bitcoin is, you know, trying to recover after, you know, we had this nice spike up. This is all manipulation. Hunter Wick, right? Hunter Wick, things go up, boom, then go down. Manipulation, right? Pure manipulation is happening in front of our eyes, guys. So that's kind of all I got. That's kind of all I got, guys. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Don't forget to love this video and share. I appreciate it.